What's up, Vivid Racing fans? We are here at the HQ with our all-new 2021 Ford Bronco Badlands, which we've been doing some work on. You can see here we've got our VR forged. Those are the D14s in 20 by 8.5 with some Toyo tires 37. So this thing already looks great. Got a little lift spacer on the front. It's nice and stacked. We did our VR performance bracket back there so we could put this big 37 spare on here, but we've got two new mods that we want to show you that we've been working on here. First is something real simple and basic, and that is a new VR performance light bracket, so you can put these massive rigid lights on. So you can see this bracket bolts on front here to the factory bumper beam, and we've got 4 of these very nice pods on here. So tons of light coming up front, and the way these are designed is so you can universally use any type of light that just bolts in from the bottom, and you can slide and put the position on there. So you can move these around. You could probably fit even more of them if you use smaller cubes. You could put 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. What we've also done is made this out of steel, so it's extremely rigid. No pun intended with the rigid lights. And we've got dimples in there to make it stronger as well. So that is the Ford Bronco light bracket that we've developed here from our VR performance here at Vivid Racing. Now, the super cool mod that we've done is an all-new Valvetronic exhaust. We've been doing Valvetronic exhaust on several vehicles over the years, including one over there on my Raptor. So the Valvetronic works like this. When the exhaust valve is closed, the exhaust is quiet. When the exhaust valve is open, it's time to hear those turbochargers. It's loud. So here's what we did is we mounted the Valvetronic Switch right underneath the dash. You can see the switch right there. So when we press the switch, it opens and closes the valve. Let's check it out. Here we are inside. Start this thing up. Got me a Bronco. All right. So you can hear it right now, little revs. It's got a little bit more sound than stock, but when we press the button down here, it's now open. And you get a much more impressive sound out of the 2.7 liter. So yeah, that exhaust sounds a lot better in stock. Again, watch, I'll press the button and it's off. And it's on. All right, guys, that's 2 new modifications that we're doing here at Vivid Racing from VR Performance. We also have our VR tuned tuning box on there, which we'll show you a little bit later in different videos. So that's us here, Vivid Racing. Make sure you leave a comment. Tell us what you think of these 2 mods. They're going to be going into production soon. So if you like them, drop a comment and we'll see about hooking you up with some of the first releases. All right, thanks, guys. We will see you at the next one.